Okay, take 2.
Alright, I'm Jonathan. I'm gonna solve the Rubik's Cube for you guys, cause, yeah. Alright, ready?
Let's
go. Oh, wrong one.
Holy. It sounds like a beat.
Ooh.
Uh-uh.
Ooh. Getting a little bit cube jams here.
Cube jam.
Cube jams. All the insane cubers know what that is.
I'm gonna do something. I just felt like doing that.
Alright, ready?
To make this video more interesting.
Alright, ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Almost there.
Okay.
Almost there.
Okay.
Ooh. Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh. 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 Ready?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Look closely. Look
Okay.
Look closely.
Look closely. Okay.
What is this?
Oh my god! That's like magic, dude.
There. Yeah. That's about it.
Any last words?
Keep practicing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything's possible.
3, 2, 1. Done.